Hello guys, my name is Dima and today I'm gonna show you how I made $2,500 trading on self-deposit on Nasdaq today. I don't usually trade on prop firms anymore because I prefer to trade on my own money, and basically the logic was so easy and everyone could take this trade. Even we took it on our Discord server over here. Yeah, I was showing this. So basically let's spoke about how this position was taking and what was the logic for this trade. Yeah, let's start from the daily time frame to determine what is the bias for today. And first of all, when I start from the daily time frame, what we can see here is how the price accumulating near the all-time high, not getting these highs, but we have the SMT with the S&P. So basically, we could say that these highs are taking and we will look some short positions, but we can't look for the short position before we test this area over here. So this is the daily fair value gap, which is placed after this short move. So when the price hit to this fair value gap over here and didn't have enough power to get this low, I could say that probably, most probably, if we didn't get to this low as far, we can go and test this daily fair value gap. Why? Because to go short, we need to close some long zones on the highs, so we don't need to come back then. And basically, this is my target for today. Let's turn on the sessions and look how the day was opening. So what we can see here on the daily time frame, even without the sessions, we can see the strong order flow, the long order flow, which is bringing us to the higher points. This was the key high of the structure, and this was the boss, yep, the break of structure. After the price swapped this liquidity over here, yeah, she didn't get enough power to go high. We got one more test, swap this liquidity over here and this additional liquidity. So this is also LQ swap, yeah. And after that, we get the boss over here, yeah. So after the price bring us to the break of structure, we can go higher, yeah. And this is the long structure we are having. And what I want to see now is how the price reacts to some zones, and I can look for the positions. So what we can see now here is the liquidity sweep on the 4 hours time frame. We can see this fair value gap, the small fair value gap over here, you can see it, yeah? And basically, this is the most important part when you took the trade. You see the order flow over here, yeah? You see how the price swapped this liquidity, boom. Even didn't one candle close above, or didn't one candle close under this liquidity over here. Everything is closed above. And that means that the real price action is all about the candles, like not about the wicks, because wicks always lying, the candles are always telling truth. So what I want to say is the price show us that it has enough power to go long from these points, yeah? So from this area, we don't need to go here. And where we can go? Sure, to these equal highs and to this daily fair value gap, which is so logical. So now I want to see the price react on this zone over here. Yeah, so we go 1 hour time frame. We can go sessions over here, and we can wait for the timing to hit to our fair value gap. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see where is 9:30 New York time and how the New York time is opening, yeah? So first of all, what we can see now, this is the opening of the exchange, yeah? So this is the New York opens. We can see how the price tested this inversion fair value gap over here. After we got this test, the price fake to go long, we got some additional liquidity over here, yeah? We swapped it. We go short, this is the break of structure, and we could say, yeah, now we are going short, I can take this short movement here, that's cool, that's pretty nice short, but what about this area over here, yeah? What about that fair value gap, which is strongly pointing us that we are going long. This is additional sell-side liquidity. Yeah, we'll point it as sell-side liquidity. This is fair value gap for hours fair value gap. So this is high time frame fair value gap for hours PVG. And what I want now is the price to show me the reaction. What is the reaction for me? There is two types of the reaction. First is when the price gave us the same candle but the different way. So first of all, this is the short candle, yeah, and this is the long candle. The long candle is the same, even higher than this previous one short. So I could say that the price is strong enough to invert this candle over here and go long. So this is the reverse model. And the second one is when we got the fair value gap, which is inversed and inverse this short candle. So we can say we are going longs. So basically what we have now here is the price hitting this high time frame point and bringing us up all through this point to this break of structure. And this is the key level where I will be looking for the positions. So what I mean now, I want to see the price going back to the test to this area, and I will enter the positions over here after this inversion. So I was waiting the price to hit this fair value gap, gave me the boss, yeah, this is the break of structure. After that, we came back, test this fair value gap. We could see how the price didn't close in this area, it closed upper. So it says that now all we want to see is inversion or some strong bullish movement, so we can prove that we are going long. Here is the point where I took my second position. Yeah, the first was taken somewhere here, yeah, on the test, and the second one was taken here after the inversion. So my target was my target was daily time frame PVG and these equal highs over here. Yeah, so I took this trade and it hits like $2,500, which is quite good. I was taking good trades also today, but this is all about the Nasdaq. If you want to see my other trades, guys, please join our Discord, join our Instagram, and you can see this video, a new video about my positions today. Stay tuned and thank you for your time.